Hey, everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. It is time to talk about the Kroger 3-day sale that is happening. It starts on Saturday, May the 16th, and goes through Monday, the 18th of 2026. We have a ton of deals that you do not want to miss out on. So do me a favor. If you'd like to save money at Kroger, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, hit all so you don't miss any of the videos I post, and let's jump into this. All right, so there is a 3-day sale that's happening at Kroger Saturday through Monday. Of course, these are just sale prices. You don't have to do anything extra. You don't have to clip any coupons. You don't have to, buy in multiples of 5 or anything like that. It's just a simple, easy sale. I absolutely love it when that happens. We're going to go through the items that are in my particular region, and then I've got a couple of different items in some other regions that are out there that we're going to talk about too. So let's start out with something that seems to be in everybody's region. It is the Dole salad kits. Now these are regularly priced like $4.59. They're on sale for $3.67 this week, but they're going to be just $2.99 with that 3-day sale. So it's a great little bit of savings there. And by the way, I love the salad kits. They're super easy to make and do. So that's just me, but maybe I'm crazy. Also, under the same thing, we do have the private selection snacking tomatoes. Now, these are the 10-ounce ones. They're regularly priced at $3.79. So you're saving like, 80 cents here to grab them this weekend. I don't know that either one of these I would make a special trip to the store for, but with a couple of the deals together, I definitely would. All right, so there you go. The next deal we have is on the Kroger dinner sausage links. So these are regularly priced at $5.49. They're $4.99 regularly priced. I think they sometimes can be on sales like $3.99, but we're going to be able to pick these up for $3.49 each. So not a bad deal at all. Now take note, I actually had two different best customer bonus coupons for the Kroger brand sausage links for 70 cents off. One expired on May 31st and the other one was sometime in June. Check your account, see if you happen to have these digital coupons. If you do, that will pair with this particular deal and will make it under $2. In fact, it'll be what 280-ish. I'm trying to think of the exact amount here, but hey, that's a great deal. And since I actually have two different coupons, if they're both clipped and I buy two products, they'll work on both of them. So it's kind of an awesome situation here. So double check your account, see if you happen to have a best customer bonus coupon for this. Then we have the milk. Now, there are some regions that I don't think have this particular milk. I'm going to show you the difference here in just a few minutes. But if you do happen to have the Kroger gallon milk, my region is $2.89, which is actually kind of cheap. They used to be regularly priced at $2.49. And it went up a little bit here. So $2.89 is my regular price, and so it's going to come down to $2.49. Again, not a huge savings. It's only 40 cents, but still it's a bit of savings there. And like I said, if you're putting all of these deals together, and it's worth making the trip for it. Also double check and see if you have a best customer bonus coupon. I usually have 65 cents off the gallon of milk. I think I've used them, and so I don't have one currently in order to pair with this, but it's check and see if you happen to have one. Next, we have the Folgers coffee. Now, I know this is probably worth it to some of you. These are regularly priced at $16.99. There is a sale price this week of $15.99, but they're $9.99 during the 3-day sale. Coffee has gone super expensive. So definitely check this deal out if you haven't seen it already. And if you are drinking coffee, especially Folgers, this might be a time to stock up. And the last one that most everybody seems to have gotten is the water deal. So the 24 pack of the 16.9 ounce bottles of water are regularly priced at $3.79. It looks like we're going to be able to grab them for just $1.99 during this 3-day sale. So a great price point here. Again, that's under 10 cents per bottle. So that's a great time to grab and stock up on these. So, all right, now let's talk about the things that I am not getting, but your region may be getting. All right, so I had a couple of comments. I had Eddie or Edie maybe Costello that said that in their zip code in Tennessee, they have the half gallon of lactose-free milk on the 3-day sale for $2.99. And then PPWWSS, I'm not real sure what that stands for, just said there's one difference. When I went to look it up, it was the exact same thing, the lactose-free milk. So it looks like these are regularly priced at $3.79 in your region. They're on sale for $3.49, but you're going to save an extra 50 cents for $2.99 each. If you're lactose-free person, then this is a great deal for you. But those of us that are not, whatever, $2.99. It's still not a bad deal, but it is like a half gallon. It's not a full gallon. Like I'm getting a full gallon for $2.49. So again, it'd be nice to have both options, especially if you do have one of those allergies, but it is what it is. So if you happen to be in one of these regions, maybe you're getting lactose-free milk. Another regional difference is going to be Lisa Herman and Colleen Bernier. Hopefully I said that right. Both let us know about the charcoal that you're getting instead of, I forget which item is taken out here. Anyway, these are regularly priced for 11.6 pound bag, $11.49. And the funny thing is, and I looked it up in this region. So in the region with the 42071 zip code from Lisa, it looks like your regular price or your sale price the whole week is $7.99. So they're advertising it as a 3-day sale, but if you go look it up online right now, or as I'm making the video, I should say, this video may be coming out on Saturday morning, but it was $7.99 all week. So that makes me leads me to believe that it'll still be $7.99 on Tuesday as well. So very interesting that has happened to me before as well. So anyway, $7.99 from an $11.49 price point. It's not a bad deal. So there you go. All right, before we jump off this video, I did want to hit a couple of comments about the 3-day sale so we didn't miss out on any details. I got a comment from Edie again. I hope it's Edie. The Folgers is still not a great price. Sam's Club has 42 ounce for $14.99 until May 31st. Okay, so keep that in mind. I think we said it was 25 ounces for the $9.99. You're getting 42 ounces for $15 at Sam's Club. So if you happen to be a Sam's Club person and you're going to Sam's Club, you may want to pick your coffee up there instead of the Kroger 3-day sale. We had another comment from Katie that said that the 89148 number 3-day sale. I'm trying to figure out what the NO stands for. Anyway, this week, next comment I had was from Katie, who said that there is actually no 3-day sale in Vegas. So if your zip code happens to be 89148, you're not getting a 3-day sale. I'm so sorry to hear that. I have heard that Vegas does not get any kind of dairy breaks, really. Like you don't get the butter deals. Maybe the milk being a deal is something that's holding it up. I actually have no idea. I'm just making things up. So anyway, Katie, I'm so sorry to hear that. And then we had a comment from Angela that said, so excited about the $1.99 24-pack of water on the 3-day sale, grabbing the max of 5 early Saturday morning, also grabbing 2 gallons of milk for the kiddos. Milk was $2.99 yesterday at my local store, regular price. So like I said, a lot of these deals for me, I'm not going to head to the store to get milk for $2.49 unless I need it, just to save 40 cents. Like I will just pay the extra 40 cents. But if I'm doing a lot of these deals together, like the water deal is kind of off the hook and I want to stock up on that, I may also grab the milk and grab the salads and things like that. So that's kind of my thought process there. Next comment. Now, this one I think is more for laughs. I thought this was funny. It was in my ad preview from Tuesday that said, from Dusty G, said coupons for the fools and lies for the masses. I have no idea what that means. And I don't know Dusty. I've never seen Dusty comment on here before, but sometimes people like crack me up. I don't really understand why people watch a couponing channel if they don't want a coupon or if they think we're stupid. But I appreciate the views. So thank you, Dusty, I guess. I don't know. If anybody has any insight, or Dusty, you're on here watching me, let me know what you're talking about. I would love to have more details here. All right. Thank you to everybody that left a comment. I do appreciate anybody that leaves me comments, even when they're weird like this, because it does help my channel and it does put me in your, in your feed on a regular basis. So leave me a comment, even if it's an odd one. All right. All right, before I jump off here with question of the day, besides the fact that I need somebody to explain Dusty's comment, I'm just curious what's your regular milk prices currently and where you're at, like where you're at in the country. Obviously, 2.89 is on the low end of things. I think most people are over $3. I know, like a few years ago, even when I went to Kroger, or not even Kroger, I went to like grocery stores in Florida, the milk was like almost $5 for a gallon. And that was before like huge inflation prices and stuff like that. So anyway, I'm just curious what everybody's milk prices are in your particular region. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's all I've got for you. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. If you're watching this on Saturday or Sunday, if you're watching this on Monday, hopefully you're enjoying the first beginning of your week. I don't know about you guys, but Tuesday is an off day for my kiddos. It is election day here in Kentucky, so they don't have to go to school. My husband still has to go to work, though. He doesn't have students, but he has to go to do a teacher's day, so that's unfortunate. I don't know what we're going to do on Tuesday. If you have any suggestions of things we should do, it's also the cheap day for movies. So maybe I'll have to find us a movie to watch, and I'll take the kids and we'll treat the kids to a movie, something like that. I don't know. Let me know in your comments any suggestions on that. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend or week, wherever you're at watching this, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.